Hello, gang. That sounded weird. Hello, gang. Hello, friends. Hello, gang, friends. No idea why the giggles have just kicked in. No reason whatsoever. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me. We have got the new Madame Glam collection, and it is just another perfect... Right, hang on. You can get 30% off. I was going to say 20. That's not right. It's 30. It's a whopping 30. Madame Glam, using the link in the description and the code MISSJO30. I strongly advise you do it for this set because it is the perfect October Halloween set collection. It's called the Moonlit Spell collection, and some of them are cat eyes. Oh my god! This one's a cat eye. One of the ones before is a cat eye. How am I behind already? It's been 1 minute. And they're just perfect. Absolutely perfect. We're going to give them a swatch, and then I think I've got an idea for a video using them. Like, I know what I want the video to be. I'll share with you. I want to do like the cremes. Oh, holy moly, look at that. That's delicious. I want to do like the cremes as the background matte, and then little Halloween things on them in the matching cat eyes, but I just don't know what yet. I seem to have, after swatching so many Madame Glam collections, whenever I grab a pile of pop sticks, I seem to get exactly the right amount each time. It's a very useless skill. But yeah, so we're going to label them all up and we will swatch them. And whilst I'm doing all this stuff, it just gives me... I leave this stuff in now for swatching just because it gives me time to say, hello, how are you? How are you? I really hope you're well. Sorry, I did that wrong, didn't I? Are you well? I hope you're well. There we go. Balance restored. I've been reading all your comments. I love to read your comments. I love it when you tell me everything that's been going on. Oh, look, my battery died. Oh, just as I pressed print. It has been telling me my battery's low for about 2 years, so I think they did quite well. And then, oh yeah, rest in peace. Okay, managed to find 4 batteries, not the same, weren't in a new pack of batteries, just in a pot somewhere. So hope for the best. Make sure all the labels are facing the right way out. Fumble with that because I'm an idiot. And then it came on and I lost everything because they'd taken the batteries out. So we'll type it up again. I won't make you watch it all. But yeah, I have been reading your comments. I love it. And I know I don't reply to them all. I reply to them all in my head though. Please know this. If you've left a comment, I have replied. I need to do what I used to do and set aside some time in the evening to reply to comments. But I would spend like 3 hours replying to comments because even though, you know, I haven't got millions of comments, you want to read each one. You want to touch on everything you've said. You want them to know that you've read it and that you're listening. And it takes a long time. And that was when I had like 8,000 subscribers. So it's difficult, but I do read all your comments. Oh, look, we're going to try the new scissors. And they're amazing. Oh, it was heaven. Why is it taking me so long to get some new scissors? One of you said the other day again about like cutting loads of foil, and then I said they're about 11 years old. She was like, oh yeah, they're gone. Oh, there was someone else who I had a back and forward with the other day, and I can't remember the names just because it's not like people's usernames are, you know, Mary Jones. They're all weird, so it's hard to remember. But you said, oh, you'd like to see something or another. And I said, oh, yes, I want to do that in the next video. Well, not the next video, the one after the next video, because the next video has already been filmed. What were we talking about? I can't find the comment now. Was it more cat eye stuff? But if that was what I replied to you, then what were we saying? What did we want to see? I have got the next video filmed though. It's if I get this out today, which is what, Sunday, maybe I'll do the next one on Tuesday. Go back to Tuesdays, although we've been doing a couple of Sundays. I just don't know when. I think the postings will just be when they're ready. Trying to get at least once a week. I really want to do more. I just hate editing so much that it takes me so long. Because every 10 minutes I'm like, I deserve an hour's break. But I would like to try and get more than one a week out. Crimson Cloak. Okay, we're swatching now. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. This is a good colour for blood. What with it being crimson and all. Oh, Ruby Thorns. This is a Cateye. Some of the pops have those tiny little flicky bits. See on the bottom right? It's like it's got a little foot. But I normally, if I forget to file it off first, I wait until I've topped and then file that off. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Bring out the zhuzh, Shannon, ZHUZH. And then I think I'd do the zhuzh a bit differently on the second coat. And I've turned the brightness up here just so they look more like they actually look, because they looked a lot darker. So if you can't see my hands because I'm white as a ghost, it's because I've turned the brightness up. It's also because it's October and I'm white and I live in England. I'm only going to get pastier until maybe April. This colour, Potion Dust. It's quite sheer. It's a bit like, in the last collection we had that orangey, pinky, glowy one that looked a bit sheer at first, but then you put the second coat on and it's fine. But this made me think of, I was going to say a potion, but that's a bit on the nose considering it's called Potion Dust. But it does look like what you'd find in a cauldron, doesn't it? Yeah, I want to do some little Cateye things, maybe like a little Frankenstein, a little pumpkin, little, what else? Oh, I know what we could do with one coming up. I'll have a think. This one, Moonlit Mauve. Wait, people say mauve differently in other places, don't they? Oh, how is it said? Because every time I hear it on telly being said that way, I'm like, what the fuck is that word? Mauve? 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 It's mauve. Okay, start calling it mauve. Hocus Plum. These Cateyes look amazing before you Cateye. They look amazing after, but you don't have to Cateye a Cateye. You don't have to zhuzh. But hello. Haunted Velvet. I think this would just look amazing all over. Zhuzhed all over. No need for nail art. That's the thing with Cateyes though, isn't it? You don't need to do any nail art. I mean, we want to, but you don't need to because it just looks bananas. Even before zhuzhing. But look at that. Oh, yes. So bright. Is that the last one? I think it might be the last one, but we're going to do a quick go over with the second coats, although I'll do the zhuzhing we'll do in real time. But I like to let you see everything close. Look at them in the bottles. Look at them being one coated. Look at them being two coated, second coated. Just so that you can get a good idea of things and see if you want to buy it. I saw this thing on the Madame Glam website the other day, and if you're someone who wants to get who buys every collection every month, then there's a thing where you do 99, I think it was dollars, so whatever that is in wherever you are, and you get the whole collection every month, which is cheaper than if you didn't do that thing. So if you do buy the whole collection every month, if you're fortunate enough to be able to do that, then they've got a thing where it will work out cheaper. Although, is it cheaper than VIP? I think you get something else with it as well. Oh, you get a base and a top as well, and a tool, I think. But have a look if you want. Was I in the middle of earlier talking about what the next video is? Can't remember, but it's gory. There's a lot of blood, and it's cool. It's cool. I did 5 nails. Then the 3 that were the the main features, as I was editing, I was like, I don't like these. They're not good enough. If I did them again, I'd be able to do them better. Just kept telling myself, no, don't do that. Okay, just be happy with what it is. And carried on editing, and then thought, no, I'm really not happy with them. I want to do them again. So I'll show you attempt 1 and attempt 2 in the next video. And there's a big difference, I think. Just goes to show that you can do something that you've never done before. And it looked fine, maybe a bit, but just doing it one more time, the difference you can make, because you've learned things from doing it the first time, or there's things you would change and blah, blah, blah. So I think they're definitely better on the second attempt. Okay, so this is all the colours. Now we're going to have MISSJO's combos. MISSJO's combos. This goes with this, it's MISSJO's combos. We need to come up with a tune for that. Please feel free to write some lyrics. So we've got the ones that obviously go together. Crimson Cloak and Ruby Thorns. And then look at these two. What in the Gilmore Girls? How nice are they together? And then you could add that one as well. I like that. Very autumnal for some leaves. Crimson Cloak also goes with that for, I think, like a very traditional Christmas vibe. And then you could chuck that in as well. Oh, that red's amazing. And then these two, obs, go amazing together. Obs, because I'm, down with the kids' lingo. These two look really nice together. Pumpkin with its root stem. These two, oh, that Moonlit Mauve is so nice. And then they go together for Halloween-y type stuffs. And there's loads that go together in this collection. It's very versatile. It's like a bird's eye potato waffle. It's a waffling versatile. And then we have, oh yeah, purples and orange. I quite like that. What else have we got? The haunted velvet will go with pretty much anything because it's like just a Cateye black. Any more for any more? Oh yeah, those I like together. Black and red, very Halloween-y. And then we're going to have a look at them all looking. Oh, they look nice, don't they? Oh, yeah, really versatile set. And then we'll do the reveal in a sec, where putting them all together just looks bananas. Oh, look at. Ah. Isn't that such a cool Halloween collection? Or like October in general collection. Like, really good. Like, bravo. That's amazing. We'll give them all a little look to the left where the flash is. And then I think we're done. Let me know what you think. Let me know which is your favourite. Black, because sometimes things look different when you hold them up against different things. So, black. And then, of course, hand, because sometimes hand. Let me know if you're going to get all or some, or what ideas you have in mind for them, anything you'd like to see me do. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget you can get 30% off using the link in the description and the code MISSJO30. I appreciate you being here so much, I really do. Like, hype, which is a thing that some of you can do, I believe. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in a couple of days for something gory. Okay, bye-bye.